Nestle sold baby cereals with added sugar. These products were sold in parts of Africa. They were meant for babies as young as 6 months. The lab tests found added sugar in most tested packets. But here's the thing. The same product in Europe had no added sugar. So two different standards for two different worlds.
Early solid foods for babies are supposed to be the safest. They are generally considered free from additives. But a recent investigation has raised an alarm. Some packaged baby cereals in Africa contain added sugar. Sugar that many parents may not be aware of. The findings were released by Public Eye. The World Health Organization recommends no added sugars in foods for children under 3. Experts say early sugar exposure can shape taste preferences. They also link it to tooth decay and higher risks of obesity later in life. But this is not the first time Nestle has faced scrutiny over its nutrition practices. In April 2024, Public Eye reported that Nestle added sugar to its baby foods sold in low-income countries, including India. But they were not included in the European markets. In 2015, Nestle's favorite Maggi noodles were banned in India. This was after it was found that the product contained more than permissible levels of lead and monosodium glutamate, or MSG. The latest results land at a critical moment for many African countries. Obesity and diabetes are rising.